There was a boy who lived with his father. One day he asked his father, "Papa, what is the value of my life?" His father gave him a stone and said, "Go to the market. If anyone asks you the price of the stone, don't say anything. Just show your two fingers." The boy took the stone and went to the market. He waited there for some time, but no one showed interest to buy it. Suddenly, an old woman came to him and asked, "Are you selling the stone? What's the price?" As his father told him not to say anything, he just showed his two fingers. The old lady said, "Okay, 200. I like this stone, I want to buy it." The boy was so surprised. He ran to his father and said, "Papa, an old lady wants to buy this stone for 200 rupees. His father then told him, "Now you go to the museum, and there also, if anyone asks you the price of the stone, just show him your two fingers." The boy went to the museum with the stone in his hand. He was wandering in the museum. Suddenly, the person in the counter noticed the stone and came to the boy. The man asked, "Do you come here to sell the stone? How much is this for?" The boy showed his two fingers. The man then said, "Okay, you want to sell this for 2000 rupees. Okay, come to the counter, I want to buy it." He was shocked. He immediately ran to his house. He told his father, "Papa, the museum person wants to give me 2000 rupees for this stone." His father then said him, "Now I send you to the last place. Go to the shop of precious stones and remember the thing I told you." The boy went to the shop of precious stones and showed the stone to the owner. The man was so happy to see the stone and asked the boy, "I want to buy this stone. Please tell me your price." The boy showed his two fingers. The man said, "Okay, so your price is 2 lakh. Okay, I am ready to buy it." The boy was literally shivering to hear that. He ran to his father and told him that the shop owner of the precious stones was ready to give him 2 lakh rupees to buy the stone. Then his father said calmly, "Do you now realize the value of your life?" The value of our life depends on where we put ourselves. You have to decide this. Do you want to be the stone of 200 rupees or of 2 lakh? You have some people in your life who love you a lot. For them, you are everything, very precious. But you also find some people who will use you and don't value you. You are nothing for them. So it depends on you. What's the value of your life? Value yourself.